guys, so this week we are staying at Osprey. We're going to have lots of fun. We're going to go snorkeling and look for some turtles. Jim will go for a fish, see what he can catch, and go to, what were the bays called?
Turquoise
Bay.
Turquoise Bay.
So we're going to go to Turquoise Bay, oyster stacks, check all them out. And yesterday we got home a bit late when we'd unpacked all the food and had dinner, that kind of thing, after we saw the dingo. So yeah, now it's time to go on. We're going to go get our bathers and snorkels and go for a swim.
And there was a turtle named Lefty, which only has 3 flippers.
We're going to see if we can find Lefty. The camp host told us about Lefty, so we'll go out and see if we can
Find him. And also Nikki spotted some little oysters on these rocks.
Yeah.
So we're going to go get a little screwdriver or something and see if we can snag a couple.
And I'm going to do a cannonball off the rock into the water.
We might have to wait for the water to be a bit higher.
Because it's nearly low tide now.
So when there's more water, so it's a bit deeper.
Yeah. Alright, let's go sunscreen up and get our swimmers. So we're back down at the beach. Got our bathers on. Kids have got their, well, Annalise got her snorkel on. Jimmy is looking fine in that outfit. And they're gonna go and try and find some turtles. I'll have a go after Jim. Cooper isn't super confident in the water yet, so he'll just go in the more shallow area, but we're lucky because we've got a bit of reef in here that he can have a go at. So yeah. Bye, have fun. Both of these.
What?
Get your needle, mate. found some. Don't know if the auto is any good, but I found 2. I'll go tell Nikki and Annalise. You tell them what we saw, Lee.
We saw turtles.
We
The first ocean turtle in the actual sea.
Yep. I went out by myself having a big snorkel, saw some cool fish, and then I was slowly swimming back, and then boom, saw a turtle. So, thank you. So then I had to swim with him, and then I came up, got Annalise, went back out, then we found another turtle, and we swam with him for a little bit. And now Nikki's gone out to see if she can find one.
And we also saw a clam.
Yeah, we saw a big clam. Big clam, big Spangled Emperors, big bonefish. I even saw GTs, trevally. Now I just got to go catch one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Should I have a speed?
should have. Not sure if you're allowed to spearfish here though. That does make me want to learn how to free dive and get a spear gun, because I could almost grab them. They were that close. Oh well. See how Nikki goes. Sorry, Chelsea.
Yeah.
We found some turtles. Took a little bit, but we found some and it was awesome.
Mom,
We loved
can
it.
you carry me over the
Good.
deck?
So Jim went out with Annalise first and found some.
Mom.
And then, already told him. And then I had to go and I got to see one. It was really cool. He even gave it a little pat. And it was just so content. It was just swimming around. Just wait, buddy. Just not even swimming around really. He was just eating the seaweedy weed grass stuff off the bottom. It was really amazing. And he was massive too. I didn't think they were going to be that big. I thought they were going to be big but small, like, yeah, it was really big. It was really cool.
So Mum stayed home with Cooper to do some cleaning in the caravan, and me and Lacey have grabbed the rods and some bait, and we're going to go for a fish and hopefully catch some dinner. So let's go catch some fish.
Daddy just hooked onto a fish. A big fish, I think. I think he's bringing it in like me.
Yeah.
He brought it in. That's the one that was laying down, wasn't it?
Yeah, they're the ones you can catch.
Wait.
Yes!
Yahoo!
Yes!
It's a big old floppy. It's a big old floppy doppy.
It's an emperor.
Emperor.
Alright.
Yummy. Catch another. We went swimming with turtles today Yesterday we saw a dingo.
Hold it up a bit higher.
There's a dad's big dad.
So we just got this nice little Spango, and Annalise was like, "Oh Dad, can we make a video now?" I'm like, "Oh, okay, you started off." She's like, "I don't know what to say." I'm like, "Oh, we'll do one soon then."
And
As
then
I said that, he grabbed onto the rod. I'm like, Annalise, get the GoPro, put it on! And we caught this little beauty. Mum's gonna be happy. That's gonna be Tucker.
mad happy.
So we're gonna get back into it now. So see you soon. It's on.
Look at this big sting.
Oh, he's just gonna lay there.
Right there. In front of us.
So we're still fishing. We've only caught the one fish. Seen a big stingray.
Yeah.
We're probably gonna fish for about another 10 minutes, I reckon. I'll fill up this fish and then we'll head on back, but Annalise wants to show you something.
And there's an amazing view on this amazing day with the sunset. We just finished fishing and we are starting to head back. A bit chilly and I don't know what Daddy is. Are you chilly?
I'm a bit hungry.
Me too. Very hungry. What do you think Mummy's having for dinner?
Don't know, hopefully we get back and she's cooked dinner.
Yeah, but then she'll have to cook the amazing fish that Daddy caught. It's gonna be delicious, I think. We might do the taste test. Last time we didn't do the taste test. Where are we going? Home air. And the pink and purple in the sky. It's absolutely amazing. And then the first star there, which you can't really see, but you might be able to see it in the water. Dad is working, I'm working. So let's go, as Mommy would usually say. Oh.
Dinner with a view. Watch the sunset.
So that was the Osprey camp and it was awesome. We love swimming with the turtles. And what else did you love doing? Catching no fish.
Caught one.
Yeah, he caught one fish off the land, which was delicious. What was it called again?
Spangled Emperor.
Spangled Emperor. Did you guys like that camp?
Yeah.
It was good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah? What did you reckon, Lise?
Very cool.
What was your favourite part?
Turtles.
The turtles.
Obviously.
Swimming with the turtles. What was your favourite part, Cooper?
My favourite part was watching on movie.
Watching a movie.
What about the seeing the turtle in the boat?
And see the turtle on the boat.
Yeah. I watched a new superhero dog movie, so that's what Coop's talking about. What was your favourite part, Jim?
Probably seeing the turtles.
Hi guys, so this is the